southwest monsoon dumadaan talaga sa Pilipinas. Gamitin mo utak mo. You should look for a gym. At bigyan mo lahat ng tao ng number. Hanggang dito lang po dito. Hanggang dito lang tayo. Balik kayo. Itong bukas, from 15 to 20, kayo na naman bukas. Bigyan mo lang card. Prepare a card where you can, the marshal will go around the queuing na, bakit mo? Hindi ko maintindihan. This media. Hindi ko maintindihan bakit gawain mo yan sa Pilipino. Yan ang tinatanong ko. Why do you have to do it to the Filipino? You can always, maghanap ka ng, there's always a gymnasium. Mga eskwelahan, walang klase ngayon. Bakit hindi mo gamitin doon? Bakit ka magkahanap ng isang tarantado? At kaya lang ako, well, it is my chagrin because gusto kong lumabas. Itong PSG lang na ito ang, sabihin ko sa inyo, huwag kayong magpresidente. Wala talagang, sabihin ko, maliit ang sweldo. Wala ka. If you're not there really for the mag-corrupt ka dyan, well, it would make you a billionaire overnight. But kung magtrabaho ka lang ng ganito, ako presidente, gusto kong lumabas doon, sabihin ko, hoy mga, bakit ganito to? Bakit ganon kayo ka-stupido? I mean, the Filipino does not deserve it. Even if they are not paying taxes. Because the theory of government is that all money belongs to the people. And the money is there. It belongs to all of us. And it should be used for public good. But what is the use of public good if you are not good and stupid? So, ganun ang mangyayari sa Pilipino. I'm just letting off my... Kasi kung hindi lang